violet lilac tone makeup, but something more toned down. Toned down makeup and colors in general are not really my cup of tea. It's not my go-to. Okay? I'm not the pastel girly. I'm the saturated, very much in your face type of girly, okay? When it comes to makeup, colors, fashion, and so on. But I like a challenge. I like to take myself out of my comfort zone. I will try a makeup like this inspired by Asian style type of makeup because I have hooded eyes and this type of makeup actually suits my eye very well. I might add a liner. I wash my face to clean my face from all of the things that it might be there, especially sweat. But now I'm putting on the primer. Next will be creamy eyeshadow base from Douglas. Like I said, I use this very often. Douglas. For this type of makeup, I will use a fluffy brush and I will do my makeup with this color because it's on a cooler side and it's more on violet side. This is already very pigmented. I will need to put this on my eyelid, entire eyelid. For the under eye, I will use a different type of brush, but I need to make it look like I have slept in the past week or so. In order to not have that harsh edge like I have there, I will add some color that is very close to my skin tone, but it's sparkly. I've added a little bit more depth, not using black because I don't want black, I want dark purple. I've added a purple liner that I've made from eyeshadow with primer. I have a separate video for that if you want to watch. And because I don't have any silver liner, I will do the same but with silver. It's becoming thick. I don't know how to do tone down makeup. That's the conclusion that I'm getting. I don't know how to do it. I will let it be like this because otherwise it will get even more intense. Let's move on with the foundation. Now let's bake the makeup. Makes such a big difference. Oh my god. This is the final look. It's way more, not as toned down as I planned it to be, but at least it's representing me. And now let's create an outfit that will match this makeup. And don't forget to follow me for more fashion related content.